again, Greg from Polyfiber Seekonite Randolph. What you're about to see is the unfolding EAA video on how to cover an aircraft using the Polyfiber system. I'm introducing it for one primary purpose, that as you go along, you're going to notice, those of you who are familiar with our systems, that the video actually deviates a little bit from the procedures within the manual. But keep this in mind. If you ever have a choice to make and you don't know which procedure to follow, the manual is the best one. It's the way we have found is the most reliable, most unfraught with problems if you follow it that way. The person who's doing this video is a lady by the name of Lynn Zaro, very sharp, very talented, and she was gracious enough to put this together. It was done by the Experimental Aircraft Association through Sportair Workshops, and this video was given to us by the museum at Candler Field. They graciously gave it to us at no charge, and I just thought it was wise to open source it so that you all can see how it's done easily without having to spend $50. If you have any questions, call us here at this number. This is our toll-free number. And if you need the manual and you don't have it, all of our manuals, Polyfiber, Seekonite, and Stargloss are available at this website, conaircraft.com. Enter the site, scroll down a bit, and hit the button that says Download System Manuals, and you'll have access to all of them. In the meantime, if you have any questions, again, call us at your leisure. We're always here to help. Thank you for watching.
During the World War II era, airplanes were covered using grade A cotton fabric and dope. There were two big disadvantages in using this system. First, the fabric and dope combination is very flammable. Second, the butyrate dope continues to shrink with age, causing excessive stress on the airframe. Polyester fabric was introduced in the early 1960s under the DuPont trade name of Dacron. When dope was used on the new polyester fabric, an interesting and not very advantageous thing happened. The dope, as it continued to shrink over a period of time, eventually shrank itself right off the polyester fibers. Ever seen anything like this? That's dope on polyester fabric that has delaminated with age. A gentleman by the name of Ray Stitz decided this delaminating problem wasn't such a good thing. So shortly after the polyester fabric was introduced, he set about designing a system that would be compatible with the new fabric. What we have now, and will be using during this video, is the system he designed. One which does not shrink away from the fabric with age, and one which does not support combustion. After its introduction in the early 1960s, the Stitz process rapidly became the most popular covering system. It retains this distinction today under the name of Polyfiber.